Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file SETC tax credit only way. Start by gathering Form W-2, Form 1099, and receipts for qualified expenses, then verify eligibility using IRS criteria and state-specific guidance. Next, calculate the credit amount using the official worksheet or tax software and double-check math. Finally, complete the correct line on your tax return and keep copies for your records in case of audit promptly. Begin by confirming you meet income and filing status thresholds for the credit, including adjustments for dependents and joint filing. Identify qualifying expenses such as tuition, training fees, or certified program costs, and retain receipts and enrollment records. Check phase-out rules, income limits, and interaction with other credits. Then consult state guidance if administered locally. Prepare documentation before claiming and consider tax software for automated checks and review regularly. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun little reward while you tackle taxes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps us keep making content. Check the description for the link and other deals for items shown in the video. Grab one for the drive. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Start by entering the calculated credit on the designated line of your federal tax form or the appropriate schedule, following form instructions precisely. If using software, select the credit and upload supporting documents when prompted, and verify the software fills the worksheet correctly. Mail paper returns with copies of receipts and forms or e-file with attachments if allowed, and keep proof of filing and payment for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.